back. Hello, welcome my dear students back. Welcome everybody. We'll just today work on something we call it the time series. And time series is very important topics which we had to know and had to deal with. What do you mean by the time series? And what do you mean by the word time series? Well, time series means it's a chain of years. Start with a year that's called the basic year and goes above. For forecasting the sales, how will be the sales in the future? We use it to forecast the sales in the future or whatever. Like an example now, I want you to work with me on this example. We will write, this is an example, calculate from the following data the sales in 2030. Now I started 1990 and I went on to 1991, 1992, 93, 94. Then the sales on 1990 was 5 units. Sales on 1991 was 6 units. Sales on 1992 were 4 units. Sales on 1993 were 7 units. And sales on 1994 were 8 units. Okay, till this is very fine. What I want the sales to forecast how will be the sales on 2030. I just want to make sure, how will be the sales like on 2030? How to forecast it? Because we use the linear, one of the applications of the linear regression is to calculate or to predict the future or to forecast. Okay, we will draw this together right now. Then I will go after you guys finished. I'll stop the video then and let you finish it. I will go to the fx. Then I will look for f, forecast, for the forecast function f, which starts with f. I will get a forecast here, and I will say, okay, now x for me is the data point for which you want to predict. I just want to predict 2030. As I said here, I want the year, the sales on the year 2030. Okay, he's asking what is y? Y is the sales. So I will put for him the range of y, which is the sales. Then he wants x. X from where to where? X from 1990 to 1994. And I'll say, okay, now it gave me 33. This means that the sales on 2030 will be 33 units. How did I know this? If I apply the regular way, like I make x and y, then I multiply x by y with the traditional way that I did it before in the linear regression, but I will start the x with 0 because the base year is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when I apply it by the traditional way, and that's what you will do it now, it will give me 33. For the year 2030, it would give me that the sales will be there 33 units. I will give you just now an example the same way, and I just want you to work on it. We will say the same like this, but I will change in some points. Like 2030, I will make it as example 2045. And no, let's do it on, actually, I just want to increase this. Okay, we can do it on another page. It's okay. That will be fine. That will be fine. If you do it on another page, that will be fine. I will do it on another page. It's okay. So you got now and you understand. So I will do here another one. I just want you to work on it. The year and the sales, will copy this one too. Control and C. And we'll do a new, take a new Excel spreadsheet here. and put it for you here, guys. Paste. Here, because the numbers, of course, must be enlarged so that the numbers will appear. Yeah. And here, of course, I'll remove this number. I want this to be 10. We'll make it 10. We'll make this 15. We'll make this 25. We'll make this 40. And we will make this 48. And I just want you to forecast the sales. I just want you to forecast the sales. I need you to forecast the sales. Forecast the sales on year 2089 using the same forecast function. Same forecast function. I want you to forecast the sales on 29 using the same forecast function. 2089. So I will leave for your time to answer this question, like around 10 minutes. Then we will move into so you can write it, then get the forecast, and that will be fine in that case. Thank you so much. Thank you.